If you're trying to eat healthy, you really need something that's easy to help you stay on track. That's why we love our crock pot. Today, we're gonna make the balsamic pork tenderloin.
Pork tenderloin is really awesome because it's a leaner cut of meat compared to pork shoulder or pork butt, which means it's gonna be less calories and grams of fat.
Well, let's get started.
Let's do it.
Here you have it, our shredded balsamic pork tenderloin.
I love to pair this with sweet potato toast in the air fryer and also some roasted vegetables. For this recipe and so many more, check out healthystepsnutrition.com.